Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to enable RCS messaging on your iPhone. Now I know what you might be thinking, wait, RCS on an iPhone? Is that even possible? And the answer is, sort of. Officially, Apple doesn't support RCS. But there's a workaround that gets you pretty close to the RCS experience, especially when communicating with Android users. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly what RCS is, why you might want it, and the closest thing you can get to enabling it on your iPhone. We'll cover the benefits, the limitations, and give you a step-by-step guide to making it happen. Before we dive in, if you're finding these Roam tips helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, so what exactly is RCS? It stands for Rich Communication Services, and it's basically the next generation of SMS. Think of it as SMS on steroids. It offers features like *read receipts, *typing indicators, *high-resolution image and video sharing, *group chats with more features, *better encryption in some cases. Basically, it brings text messaging closer to the features you're used to in apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. Now the bad news. iPhones don't natively support RCS. Apple uses iMessage, their own proprietary messaging service, which offers many of the same features as RCS, but only between Apple devices. When you text an Android user from an iPhone, it falls back to the older SMS/MMS standard. This is where things get blurry, pixelated, and, well, not ideal. So, how do we get closer to the RCS experience on an iPhone? We're going to leverage third-party messaging apps that support RCS. Google Messages is a popular one, and that's what we'll be focusing on today. Keep in mind this only really works when messaging other people who use Google Messages or an RCS-compatible messaging app. Alright, here's how to do it. 1. Download Google Messages *, head to the App Store and download the Google Messages app. Yes, Google Messages is available for iOS, even though it's primarily an Android app. 2. Set it up *, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely need to verify your phone number. Google will send you an SMS code to confirm your number. 3. Encourage your Android friends to use it *. This is the most important step. Get your Android friends and family to use Google Messages as their primary messaging app. That's how you'll actually get the RCS benefits. 4. Start messaging. Now, when you message those Android users who are also using Google Messages with RCS enabled, you'll see the benefits: read receipts, typing indicators, higher quality media sharing, and more. Okay, now let's talk about the limitations. It's not iMessage *. This is crucial. You're not actually enabling RCS within iMessage. You're using a separate app. This means you'll need to actively use Google Messages to communicate with your RCS-enabled contacts. Not everyone uses Google Messages *. Convincing people to switch can be a challenge. Some people are happy with their current messaging app. Some features might be limited *. Depending on your carrier and region, some RCS features might not be available. So there you have it. While you can't fully enable RCS messaging on an iPhone using iMessage, using a third-party app like Google Messages is the closest you can get. It provides a much better messaging experience with Android users who are also using RCS. Hopefully, Apple will officially adopt RCS in the future. But for now, this workaround is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Roam tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you in the next one.